Yo, what's up, Trevor? What is going on? What's up, everyone? All two of you. There'll be more. Just got on. Just in here trying to play a upper VWAP, a lower VWAP and rejection, and I was wrong. So in my Take Profit Trader account. So now I'm getting back some gains. Whatever. If anything, I'll add around the 34 because why the fuck not? Rosales, what's up? What's going on? Hope you guys had a good weekend. Kind of not in love with this position I'm in right now because I thought I was going to get a rejection here. So I'll have to wait for the top orb, and I'll add there, which is probably around the same spot as this VWAP. So we'll see. But I would add. I'm going to add right here. I like adding at the 34 because if it does get up that far, I don't know if it will, but this is a good spot to add to go short because that's about close to the VWAP. Maybe I'll get out. Maybe I'll be able to get out sooner. Maybe I'll get lucky, but I'm not holding my breath. Maybe I will. Oh shit. Where are we going? I bet it goes down and then bounces off of that lower VWAP band. What's the 6750? I can see that happening. Let me see. Let me put my sell order at 6750, which is basically where this 9 is at. I don't know if it's gonna happen though. I don't know. I'll take it. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Maybe it goes a little lower. Let me do this right here. The top of this wick. Because that, you know, wishful thinking. Once more people pile in. Uh-oh. Yeah, once more people roll up, if anyone else rolls in, once we get to like 10, 15 people, I'll give you an update on how my account's going today. Or my accounts. Look, I mean, I'm up a bunch in this eval. This is a new one, a new test account. Be cool if we, oh, that's basically right there. 80. Did it hit it? Is it going to hit it? That's going to hit it. It's going to hit it. Oh, it just rejected off the 34. I didn't hit it. Damn it. I wish it hit it. I'll make it a little lower. Let's see if I get filled. I want to get filled here at the 34 in case it doesn't. Oh. Did I get filled? I'm in. Am I going to get filled here? It's just going to keep going up. Is that what's going to happen here? 4. All right, let's see. Let's see if it holds. Otherwise, I basically gave back all my gains. But let's see if the 34 holds. It's basically, it's the orb, the top orb. It's the top orb on the NQ. So you think it would, but it doesn't look like it wants to. And then we got VWAP here on the Qs. So it's not a bad spot. I just don't know. Maybe I have to go here. You know, there's a U.S. court. That's in 15 minutes. Quarterly refunding estimate. The fuck is that? Never heard of that before. Is Jerome Powell going to come on and talk about it? Or maybe I should put a fucking stop up here somewhere just in case it goes buck. I just want this rejection on. Well, I mean, we're almost at VWAP. I'm going to add another one because I don't give a fuck. How about that? Watch this. Maybe we get filled here. So, oh, I did market? Oh, that was an accident. I didn't want to do that. That's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to have an order here at the 300, which is right around VWAP on the Qs. That is not what I wanted to do, but maybe it'll go down now, even though I don't think it will. Because we didn't quite hit VWAP. Oh, we did hit VWAP right there. So was that? Let's see if that holds right there. Where are we coming back down to? The top orb, is that going to be support now? We're going to consolidate between VWAP on the Qs and the top orb on the NQs. I don't know. This isn't great. I'll tell you that much. What am I in? 5? Awesome. Gave back all my gains. I was up $830. It's a test account, so whatever. I just don't want to nuke it. Why is it making it bigger? What the fuck is going on? There we go. Home. Live. That's not doing what I wanted to do. All right. Is this 30? Are these 34s going to hold the support? Yeah, see now that NQ top orb, even though we just blew through it, so it wasn't resistance, maybe it's going to end up being support. But we got VWAP here, so hopefully that holds as resistance. I just don't know if we're going to be consolidating between VWAP on the Qs, right, which is right about here, 87.50, And then you got the NQ top orb, which is at 80. I would like it to come down to a little lower, but I don't know. I might have to just take the L here and then regroup and wait for a better fucking fill somewhere else. So, hey, there's 7 of you guys on here. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for coming by. Welcome to the shit show stream. I mean the Degen stream. We're gonna see what we could do with some Take Profit Trader and Apex accounts that I have. Actually, I got to get another eval for Apex. See if I could push another one over. And if you're here and you need a new Apex eval or test account, or you know, Apex eval or a Take Profit Trader test account, and you've never or you need them for the first time, or you need more, or whatever, my coupon codes for both Apex and Take Profit Trader are going along the bottom of the ticker. If you put those in, you'll get the best deals available. With Apex, is 80% off all evals until the end of the month, which is shit tomorrow. Man, this month is flying by. Everything flies by, especially when you have kids. And then with Take Profit Trader, they have a deal right now where you get 40% off of evals, which doesn't sound like a great deal compared to Apex. Oh, and Apex is 1 day to pass. 1 day to pass. Feels like they're going to be doing that all the time because they did it for a whole month. It's 1 day to pass. But with Take Profit Trader, if you use my code ZERODAYJAY for Take Profit Trader, you'll get 40% off your eval. And then if and when you pass your test, right, you hit the profit goal for whatever size eval you get. Instead of having to pay $130 to upgrade to the pro/funded account, it'll be free. So that's a really good deal, as far as I'm concerned. I think so, because you know what? Paying for the funded accounts adds up. So I think it's a great deal. I don't know what's better. You just got to figure out what your success rate is on, you know, passing evals/test accounts. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what's going to happen here. I need this 34 to stop being support. That's what I need, which is basically the NQ, the top orb of the NQ. We need this to drop lower. Come back down here. That'd be amazing. Come on, blow through. Like, yeah, that's what we're talking. That's what I'm talking about. Come on, keep going. Oh my God, I almost at least got not taken out, but come on, now be resistance. Stay as resistance. Come down here. It's not. Is it going to happen? I don't know. I might just take an L here, but I don't want to because I'm a DJ. Is this going to be resistance? Be resistance. Come on, stand, turn it. Oh, nope. Nope. The 34 SMA and the 9 were support right there, bouncing right off of that shit. That was my chance. Right there was my chance to get out. Bobby. Well, this is a take. No, I had to get some. I needed more evals. Because I nuked some funded accounts last week. I had 5 funded accounts last week, and once more people come on, I'll talk about what's going on today. And I got this Take Profit Trader test account here /eval. Come on, give me a dump. Blow through this 34. The 34 is so awesome on the 1 minute, the SMA and the EMA. They hold so strong in support and resistance depending on which way we're going. But eventually they collapse and then they become resistance if they're support, or they become support if they were resistance, but eventually. So I don't know. Hopefully this is that eventually, because we need to go down some more. Oh yeah. Keep going. We're under stay under this fucking top orb. Please. Please. I don't know. You only get so many chances to get out of a fuck trade. And that might have been my last chance. I had 1, 2, maybe I'll get a third chance, but I doubt it. I don't know. We're approaching another hour. We're going to go into power hour. We got that weird freaking US quarterly refunding estimate shit, whatever the fuck that is. Oh, here we go. Come on, take me out. Hit it. Hit it. Now I think the 34 is going to be resistance. the SMA and the EMA. The SMA is the white line, the EMA is this teal line. Was that my last chance to fucking get out? I was up for a fucking split sec. Was that my last chance? That might have been my last chance. Ugh, should have taken it. 70, I mean, it would have been 2 points. Yep, that was my last fucking chance. No, it wouldn't have even been 2 points. It would have been 1 3/4 point. It would have been, what, $150? Should have taken it. Because now look, what an idiot. Like Chaz would say from Wedding Crashers. What an idiot. Should kick something and then yell for the meatloaf. Oh, yeah, I'm fucked. Yep, I fucked myself. I should have taken it. Look at that bounce. Just holding strong on the fucking NQ orb. I don't know. We're like the hour's closing out, man. If we could just get a little lower and just take me the fuck out of this shit. Come on. Dump. Let's go. We got 7 on. 7 on right now. I want to get to like 12 or 13, and I'll give you an update on my Apex account and my Take Profit Trader account. Right now, this is my update. I'm trying to get out of this fucking position. Let's go. Let's go. Doing some good old-fashioned degen trading. Trying to get out of 5. That's probably the problem. I should try to get out a little bit more than 5. Oh, less than 5. Come on, hold. Come on. No, that's my 4th chance. Man, I'm getting so many chances to get out of this shit. I just think it's gonna. I think we're gonna roll over here. Look, see. Oh, we're just hanging on this top orb. We already rejected off of VWAP. Just need to go down a little bit lower. One time for the stream. Let's go. Flush it. Where's the next level down here? 67. I mean, it's wishful thinking, but let's see. 67. I'll say 68. I don't know if I'm going to get it. 68. Nope. Maybe. New minute's about to start. The new 5-minute candle's about to hit any second now. You gonna get this? Oh, there it is. We just started. Let's see. We rolling over here. You know what's funny is, like, even if I do get taken out, like, I'm probably gonna miss out on even bigger gains, but I'll just be happy to get out at this point. Hey, we got 11 watching now. What's up, guys? What's up, everyone? Say hi in the stream. Just doing some good old-fashioned degen trading here. Right now, I'm in a position in my Take Profit Trader test account, a new one, that I'm up. I was up 800, almost gave it all back. I've just been sitting in this one position for a while, just waiting for this to go one way or the other. I had a couple of chances to get out. I'm just hoping this 34 holds. And the VWAP is holding good, strong resistance here, but also you got the NQs here. The top orb on the NQ is holding the support, so we're kind of consolidating between there. I just need a little, and we're approaching a new hour, which also happens to be power hour. So I'm not feeling great about my chances here of being taken out for a gain. As you can see, it's not looking fucking good here. So, you know, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. And then whenever it happens with this trade, we get taken out of this trade, I will, yeah, it ain't fucking looking good. Damn, whatever. Yeah, awesome. Let's see. We hitting VWAP again. See, VWAP, is VWAP going to be resistance? You got VWAP right there. Is it going to hold as resistance? I almost want to add another one. Why not? Why not go for a full 6? Because that's the most you could do in Take Profit Trader, but why not? I had a chance to get out 3 or 4 times, and I didn't take them. So that's what I get. And the 34 is holding strong on the 1 minute. Hey, if you're not a subscriber to the channel, please subscribe. I go live every day during regular trading hours and often at night you know, late at night during the overnight. I was shot yesterday. I wanted to stream live last night, but I was too tired. Long weekend, not much sleep. So I passed out. Smash the like buttons. You're good, bro. What's up, X-Trader? We were talking in the comments. Hope you're having a good trading day. What's going to happen on this hour? Is this VWAP going to hold? That's what I'm wondering. 5 minis wrecked. Yeah, that happened to me. Oh, minis, micros. I was playing micros and I wrecked a fucking funded account with micros last week, like small amount. Do I do this full time? I guess you could say I do it full time. I work from home. I do online marketing. So I find, you know, I've been doing this prop firm stuff. I've been doing the prop firm trading since like the end of October. And, you know, I'm a degenerate. So, you know, I find myself, oh, that sucks. All right, let's see. One. Holding that, damn. That would have been a good spot to get filled. So I'm home anyway. So I'll trade, and then when I'm not trading, I work. And then I started this channel a few months ago. So, you know, now I'm posting content for the channel, you know, making, you know, basically sharing my journey, update videos, all that fun stuff. Yeah, so, you know, I just look at it as just another thing I'm doing. But this isn't supporting my family full time. No, not even close. I haven't even got a payout yet. I'm in line for a payout, maybe, potentially. With Apex would be the first time. I'll give you guys an update once I get out of this fucking trade, this fucked trade. My fucking P&L is getting kind of shitty. I don't want to get too far behind. I could always work it back, but this trade, I'm just curious what this new hour is going to do. Is it going to dump? Are we going to dump on this new hour? We're right at VWAP, holding so far as resistance. We wicked over. What do we hit here? Yeah, we hit the upper VWAP band on the NQ, and that's serving as resistance. I just don't know if it's going to shoot up or it's going to shoot down because you got the upper VWAP here, upper VWAP band there. You got upper VWAP here. You got the pivot point. We rejected off the pivot point already. I missed that because I had to run out. Here we go. Here we go. Am I getting taken out? Oh, yes. Did you see that? I missed it, but damn, I got taken out. Now, oh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. Woohoo! Got that rejection. Oh my God, look at this. Gotta love the new hours. Oh, I think were you short, X-Trader? Please tell me you were short, bro. Please tell me you were short. When you drop a lot of those indicators, that's when you become more profitable, in my opinion. Dude, I'm testing that out. I don't even really look at the stochastics, Jonah. Honestly, all I look at, Jonah, and you're right, the less shit you're looking at, the more clear things seem to be. If you notice, on this is my NQ chart and this is my Q chart. I don't even have moving averages on here. All I have is pivot points. These orange lines are pivot points. This red line and green line is the orb, right? The 15-minute orb, right? See me get rid of that, and then I have VWAP. That's really all I look at. On the longer time frames, 5-minute, 15-minute. Sometimes I go to the hourly to see like if we're approaching one on the hourly. But then and I have these stochastics. I'm not even looking at them. Honestly, I might just get rid of the stochastics altogether. But I was testing something out. I watched a video on YouTube about some dude that's like a full-time trader, and he uses the stochastics a certain way. Like I usually only have one stochastic on here, but I was just testing it out to see if I can notice a pattern, because that's what I do. I just watch. If I learn about something new, I'll throw it on the chart and like just watch it. Not make any decisions based on it. Just watch it to see if I can get some pattern recognition, notice if anytime a certain thing happens, if it goes one way or the other. So I've learned the patterns on the orb, the pivot points, VWAP, and the orb. Like look what just happened. We hit we hit VWAP on the Qs and rejected. We hit the upper VWAP band on the NQs and rejected. Obviously we had a new hour. I guess whatever We had this U.S. quarterly refunding estimate shit. Maybe I guess it's not looking good. What do you think, Rosales? Is it looking good or not? I don't think so. And then on Tradeovate on the 1 minute chart, I have all these moving averages. Yes, but I really focus on, again, with the 3 stochastics. I don't even care about that. I'm really focused on the 34 SMA, and then this teal line is the 34 EMA. What you'll find happening, Jonah, if you're not already using it, is on the 1 minute chart, you'll find a lot of times, like a lot, the 34 EMA and SMA will serve as either support or resistance. Sometimes it'll go through the, holy shit, it'll go through the SMA and then bounce off the EMA. Sometimes it'll bounce right off the SMA and not hit the EMA. And then the other way, in terms of resistance, it'll hit the 34 and reject off the 34 as EMA, or it'll go through the 34 EMA and hit the SMA and reject. So I hope that makes sense, Jonah. I really don't look at a lot of stuff. The stochastics is just something I'm testing, just trying to see if, holy shit. Oh my God. Are we close to anything? We hit a pivot point? Oh, we're right at the pivot point. Watch this. Oh, let me go to my Apex account. Oh, I got to get another, eval. Because I got this one over. So I got this one over today. 2,500. I did that. This was one that was hanging on for dear life. I literally had $6 left in the drawdown, this PA account. And welcome to the stream, everybody who's here. Data boy. Oh yeah, Data boy X Trader. Data boy. You were in the same. You were basically playing the same. I was in the same. I was in short too. I did the same thing. I didn't pass anything on it, but it would have been like you could have passed any eval on that. Jesus, what have we done? 90. We're almost down 100 points. We're right at. I need another Apex eval account. I'm not gonna waste this opportunity though. We're right at the bottom orb. Oh, I mean the pivot point. Oh, I'm missing the pivot point bounce. I don't think I'm gonna come back down. Let me get one up here just in case. Maybe it'll come back, but I mean we just dumped 90 points, and then look, we hit the pivot point on the NQs at 17,805, and we hit the pivot point, just missed hitting the pivot point on the Qs. We're literally right there. And now we're bouncing. Pivot points are crazy. Let's see what the hourly is looking like. This was from Friday. This area of support I drew, and it held strong. Go figure. Let's see if there's a daily pivot point. No, there's nothing. All right, so just on the shorter time frames, 5 and 15 and all that stuff. Let me go back here. Are we bound? I guarantee you we're going to keep going up. Maybe not. I don't want to guarantee anything. All right, so like this isn't the greatest fill, but I was kind of just in case we were completely bouncing. But I have another fill here, and I would even put another one down here just in case we go down that far. But I don't know. It's not. Oh, I can't go up too much more. Shit. I don't want to go up more than 1,500. You don't want to go up more than 1,500 in a take profit trader test account, because on a 50K at least, because they have for whatever reason, it's kind of weird, it's kind of backwards, but they have a consistency rule on test accounts, but not on pro accounts. So they don't want you to go up more than 50%. Okay, this actually works better for me. Let's see here. Now what's going to happen is it's going to come. So if is it going to hit this too? Shit. I don't really want it to. All right, we're back at the bottom orb. Let's see if it holds. Uh-oh. Scary. I should have taken the profit. All right, we're back at, not the orb, the pivot point. Back at the pivot point on the Qs. We actually hit it this time. Are we going to stay? Is it going to hold the support? Yeah, so back to take profit trader. Now, we're under it pretty good on the NQs. We're right on it on the Qs. What I was saying was they have a, damn, that's a fucking, anyway. We're coming back. They don't want you to go up more than 50% of your total profit. So if on a test account, Jesus, I was just this is crazy. Is it gonna fucking dump more? Anyway, so if your profit goal, so on a 50K, the profit goal is 3,000, right? And if 50% is the consistency rule, you don't want to go up more than shit. That's actually too much. That's gonna push me way over. Oh, let me get out of this. Oh, actually, that might not be enough. It's gonna hit it though. It's gonna hit it. I wish I had another Apex eval. I gotta get it. Come on, just hit it already. Oh shit. I'm too high. See, I'm too high. I gotta give back some gains here. Fuck. So like now, if I was to stay like this, I'd have to go up to 3,200, $3,206 for my total profit. I'm actually gonna give back some gains here on purpose, which is dumb. I know, because shit. If I'm right, if I'm right by mistake, let me just go short. There we go. I need to go. Let me hit a stop here. Oh, see, it's gonna dump now. It's gonna fucking dump. I need to go right here. Buy one stop. All right, take me out here. All right. Oh, I still need to go down $13. Look at this shit I got to do to not break the consistent. I mean, it's not that big of a deal, but I just don't. All right. Now I'm in micros. That should be enough. Buy two. Is this gonna take me out? Don't go down. Don't go down. All right, come on. Get me right to 1,500. Come on. Oh my God. Don't go up. Don't make more money. Come on, take me out right here. Come on. There we go. All right. That's good. So I'm up $1,494 on my take profit test account. This is day one because I had another one on day 4 up like it was up good. Actually, I was up like a few $100 today and I fucked it up. I literally hit they have a daily loss limit of $1,100. I didn't do my math right and I got taken out. I might have done it right, but like sometimes it doesn't take you out right at your order. It kind of might go above and below depending on the spread. And I literally hit 1,105 on my daily loss limit and I meet the account. But I had this one waiting in the wings and this is day one. So I'm already halfway there. $1,494. I lost money on purpose here because I didn't want to be over the 50% consistency rule because then I'd have to get more profit and yada, yada, yada. So Take Profit Trader, I'm done trading with Take Profit Trader today. So I'm going to move on to my Apex account. Let me show you guys what's going on with my Apex account. I started showing you. Yeah. I know, it's the worst. Yeah, Jonah, dude, when you're trying to lose money on purpose, that's when you get more money. I don't like doing that shit. Treasury refunding financing estimates, blah, blah, blah. What's up, Lefty? Yeah, some weird shit. You were down $60 on a day and you called it. I hope that was just for a funded account and not an eval because $60 is nothing. But yeah, Jonah, I don't trade everything I see. I look for certain levels. I don't know if you saw me talking about VWAP and the VWAP orb, VWAP orb and the pivot points. Like look what just happened. We had this pivot point bounce. Look at this bounce off the pivot point. That's money right there. We came all the way down and hit it, and now we bounced off of it. We rejected off of VWAP. I look at VWAP, the upper and lower bands of VWAP. I look for pivot points, and then I also look for the orb, which I just took off my chart to show you the other stuff that I like to look for. Let me put the orb back on here. Now we're at the bottom orb. This could serve as resistance. We're at the bottom orb on the Qs. I have the orb still on here. Here again. We bounced off the pivot point. You know, we're up already. I guess I don't want to say I guess you could say from the bottom. I mean, we're up 40 points already since that happened. After dumping, rejecting off of VWAP. And then before we were trading, you know, VWAP was showing as support. We actually hit the pivot point to the upside. I wasn't here. I had to run. I bought my daughter a car last week, and I'm not doing I don't like doing the DMV thing, sitting there for hours and hours, because it sucks and it's not the best use of my time or anyone's time. So there's these services out there, like they call the expediters, and they'll do it for you. So I go to their office. I was in their office for 20 minutes, and then I drove back home, and now I don't have to worry about it now. But yeah, we hit. Look at the Jonah. If you don't have pivot points on your chart, look at this, dude, right here. We hit the pivot point and we rejected and went down. So if that's the top, that was the higher day. I don't know if it was a higher day. It might have been, but who cares? The important thing is we went from 17,931. That was the pivot point that we hit. We rejected off of it and went all the way down. 17,931. I mean, I'll include all of this. 17,931 to 140 points from that pivot point. And then we bounced off the pivot point down below. We went from pivot point to pivot point, and now we're going back up, but the orb, the bottom orb is serving as resistance right now. So I hope you saw that, Jonah. All right, guys. Oh, wow. What's up, everyone? Got 19 people watching now. What's up, everyone? Hope you guys are doing well. If you're not a subscriber yet, please hit the subscribe button. I stream every day during regular trading hours. Not all day, but like towards the end of the day, around like, I try to get on at like 1:30 to 2 o'clock Eastern time. I was a little late today because I had stuff going on that I had to take care of before I came on. But I'm on now, and then I'll stream at night too if I'm not too tired, and I'm trading. If I'm trading and it's late at night, I'll probably pop the stream on depending on what the market's giving me. If I'm actually actively trading, I'll definitely turn it on. So try to do that at least 3. I would like to do it every night, but it really all depends on what's going on. So and then I post updates every single day on what's going on with my Take Profit Trader accounts. Well, my Take Profit Trader account and my Apex account. All right. What's up, Russell? Oh, thanks, Russell. Really appreciate it. See, Russell's a supporter of the channel. I appreciate you, man. Even if you just subscribe, that's supporting the channel, or just comment, like, any of that stuff. But yeah, that's how you can support the channel. Use my coupon codes. You can see along at the bottom of the ticker on the YouTube thing. My coupon code, on the bottom of the screen, you can see my Apex coupon code, which is some mumbo jumbo, and then my coupon code for Take Profit Trader is ZERODAYJAY. Take Profit Trader is doing a 40% off eval/test account any size promotion right now, but no fee on the upgrade. So when you pass and you go pro, you go funded with them, you won't have to pay the fee. So that's a great deal if your success rate on passing evals is high. A really good deal. And then Apex is doing 80% off evals of any size and 1 day to pass. So that's that. That's how you can support the channel. If not, no big deal. You might like supporting other people. Like, it's fine. I'm cool either way. I just want us all to win at the end of the day. So, what's up, Marco? Decent job today, Marco. Not a great job. I got to show you guys my Apex account now. So I started to. This was that account that was hanging off a dear life from 3 days ago. I actually went up I thought I was trading in my PA number 57. So I went up like $15. I didn't realize it was 56, and then it went back down 6, and it was it. That's the end of that one. And then this one was up $1,400 overall, and man, it was like anytime, like around, what time was it? Like 10, 11 o'clock. The market, Eastern time, the market moves around so much. Now I know it was moving around too much, and I couldn't take profits fast enough, and then I just fell behind and fell into bad habits, crept back in, so I was getting frustrated, and then I nuked this fucking account. So that is account number, PA number 60, my 60th funded account that is gone. How awesome is that? And then I got this one over, so I'll have 2 funded accounts tomorrow. This one's over. Shit happens. This is disappointing because I was looking forward to requesting a withdrawal, requesting a payout for this at the end of the week. But hey, I still got this one. Look at this one. I traded micros, got it up $216. This one is on day 8. Is this day 8? Let me just double check. Don't worry, Marco. Look at number 57. Lucky number 57. All right, so let me see. PA charts. I am on day 8. I finished this. I traded this one and then moved on to number 60. I traded, so like earlier in the day on a funded account, I learned it's probably best to trade micros because it's moving around way too much. And that's what I did here. I was only literally trading like anywhere from 2 to 4 micros. And that's how this is. So first of all, my trailing max drawdown is at $3,142. And I am in line for my first ever payout from any of these fucking prop firms right here. I'm on day 8. So basically on Wednesday or Thursday, I could request a payout. I could actually just flip contracts tomorrow and Wednesday, but I'm not going to. I'll probably just trade like 1 or 2 micros at a time, try and build it a little bit more. Because when I take 2,000 out, then my trailing max drawdown is going to be less than 2,000 less. I'd rather have a little bit more of a cushion, but I'm not going to be too aggressive. I'm only going to pick and choose spots. So I still got this. This is my baby, and it's not going anywhere. So I'm so close I could taste it. I'm so fucking excited right now. I don't know if you could tell. I can't contain my excitement. Actually, I'm not that. I mean, I'm really excited, but I'm not. I'll be super pumped when they finally say your withdrawal request has been, accepted. So now that I'm done trading my Take Profit Trader account, I'm gonna get myself another eval from Apex because you know why? Because fuck them. That's why. What's that from? Does anybody know what that's from? Tell me what that's from. From a very special, famous show that is no longer around, but you could watch on Netflix. I'll give you another hint. It's like 20 years old at this point. So I'm aging myself. Just bear with me. I'm just getting myself another test account. Look at this 30. See, look, Jonah. You see this 34? Serving as resistance right here on the 1 minute. The teal is the 34 EMA. The white is the SMA. All right. So we're firing up another test account right now, another eval with Apex. You know what I want to do? I want to get. See, this is right now in my Brave browser, and then this is in my Chrome browser. What I want to do is log out of Take Profit Trader. Just like there's nothing more for me to do here. Can't go up anymore. It's day 1. I have to trade for 5 days, so I'm gonna just push it over. So the goal is by Monday. When Monday comes around, I'll have a funded Take Profit Trader account. Anyway, what are we bouncing off of here? Kind of in the middle of nowhere. I mean, I'm sure if I added a moving average, there might be something down there. Let's see. Nope, nothing. Moving on the Qs. Oh, look, the bottom orb is holding as support now. Oh my God, we're gonna go all the way up. I'm about to pass another Apex eval with this move if I could get it live in enough time. So what I'm gonna do, bear with me. I'm gonna exit. I'm not exit. I'm not leaving. I'm just turning off my screen. I'm gonna turn off screen sharing so I could log out and log back into. I'm gonna log out of my Take Profit Trader account, which no one will see. But if you guys are watching the chart, I wish I could show you the chart. I'll show you in a second, especially Jonah, because we're at the 34 SMA. We got through the EMA. We're at the 34 SMA. Now it's serving as resistance. I hope it goes down a little bit more so I can get in. I got to log into my Apex account. And so I have it in the Chrome browser so I can see better. All right, let's see here. All right, logging out of Take Profit Trader. You guys can't see anything, which is good. You can see my ugly mug. And all right. Yes, Jonah, I look at both. I trade the NQ and I look at the Qs because they're the same. I have the Qs on regular trading hours. Let me turn my screen back on. Am I in here? Am I in my Apex account? All right. Let me quit this Brave browser. All right, let me turn screen sharing back on. I'm coming back on so I can show you. Entire screen. All right, screen sharing is back on. Thanks for hanging out. Wow, it came all the way back to the lower VWAP band on the NQs. I like the basic, NQ is the NASDAQ. It's NASDAQ futures. The Qs is the NASDAQ, the ETF, right? I have the NQs on regular trading hours. So this orb, this is the bottom orb, and then this is the top orb. That's the range from the first 15 minutes when the market opened. So it's money in terms of support and resistance. It's amazing. Look what we're doing here. And then the NQs I have on electronic trading, which is all 23 hours. It's set to, the market reopened. The futures markets close at 5 o'clock Eastern time and then reopen at 6. So they literally open 23 hours a day. So I keep this chart. I guess I could keep the NQs. I have this chart. I don't even look at this chart. I have the NQs. This is on regular trading hours, but look what happened. You get the VWAP rejection here. Not VWAP, upper. This is the daily. Oh, shit. We just hit a daily pivot point on the NQ. That's interesting. With regular trading hours. Should look at that more often. But yeah, I bounce back and forth between the Qs and the NQs. You'll find at like certain levels, there'll be some consolidation between certain levels, like on the Qs and the NQs. But we're rejecting right now. I hope we go back to the bottom orb. If we go back to the bottom orb, I'm getting in long in this Apex account, this new Apex account. Let me get the fuck out of this thing because I don't want to mistakenly trade in this fucking account. That's for sure. All right, so we got 311 fresh. Let me get out of this. Let me make sure there's no open trades. And then let me go back into 311. This is the new account. Is the 34 going to be support? Or are we going to go lower and hit the bottom orb? See, we rejected on the see what's happening? This is the bottom orb on the NQs. And then we're basically going to be consolidating between, we got the bottom orb on the Qs too. Basically going to be potentially consolidating between those two, that level and the bottom orb here. The lower VWAP band right here. The lower VWAP band and the bottom orb on the NQs. And then you got the lower VWAP band on the Qs. So far, those are acting as resistance, but you can have strong support at the orb here. I'm not allowed to trade my funded account until I pass it on to EVA. That way I'll always have a PA. That's smart. That's smart. It's not a bad approach. Yeah, no shit. When I get to the payout, I'm taking it all, as much as they'll let me take. I forgot who was on that. Someone, I forgot who it was. We were talking a few days ago during the live, and they were saying how they're only thinking about taking a few hundred with their profit trader payout that they qualified for because they're worried about the trailing. I was like, dude, take it all, especially if it's your first payout. Take the whole fucking thing. That's exactly what I'm gonna do because you never know if you're gonna do it again. I mean, I'm confident I'll be doing it on the regular. That's my goal, is to be regularly taking money out from these prop firms, being a good trader, But you just don't know. All right, so look, the 34 was holding the support on the 1 minute. Oh man, I've been there, Jonah. I've been there. I just did that today. Not with 57. 57 is money, but this one was up $1,400. I could have, and I had a chance to be up in this. I lost control. I don't really know how else to put it. There's no other excuse for this to happen other than me being fucking stupid in one day. So whatever, it happens. Moving right along, moving on. But I had a funded account like a couple of months ago. That's what I'm saying. Like, take the max when you can take it. Couldn't agree more. I had a funded account. I had a 50K funded account up $5,900 on like day 7. A trade didn't go the way I wanted it to, and I freaking started going. I went into degen full tilt mode, and literally within an hour gave back. I gave back all 5,900, and then hit my well, I wasn't up 5,900 in one day. I might have been up a few hundred that day. I went full tilt and fucking hit the trailing max drawdown, which was 5,900, right? Because it goes up, and I fucking nuked the account on day 7, in line to be paid, with plenty of room. All I had to do was just trade micros and be smart about it, like I'm doing with number 57 here. Um, I have 2 more days on this one. So notice how I keep hitting this exit all positions to cancel all. It's because I'm a little fucking paranoid, making sure there's no orders in on that account. That's like my baby right there. So here we go. 34 is holding as strong support on the 1 minute. Yeah, exactly, Russell. Yeah, the thing, the biggest thing that I'm working on is developing my ability to not lose control. I'm getting better at it. So like these full tilt moments that cost us PA accounts, like we want to, you're not going to be perfect. It's like shit. We're human, right? We're not robots. So what we want to do is we want to decrease the frequency of it occurring. So we want to spread out the time in between when we fucking go full tilt and are having a rough day. We want to keep that to a minimum because you're not going to be perfect every day. But when you got to like recognize it and then like just fucking stop and walk away, or at least get up and like go for a walk around the block or go do something else. Go pet the dogs, go kiss the kids, whatever. You know, go. If you're married and your wife's there, go slap her on the ass, tell her she's hot, something. Where my wife's over there right now. That's why I'm saying it because I wanted to get a reaction out of her. But yeah, do anything just to get away from the screen and like regroup. Go get yourself a glass of water. Go eat something. You know, whatever it is. Don't freaking take a cold shower. Reset your mind. That's something I'm working on, spreading out the occurrences. But like last week, I had 5 funded accounts, and now I only have one. So, but that one ain't going anywhere. I ain't gonna fuck that up. Yeah, yeah. Get it out of your system now. You don't want to be like me. Look how many evals I have. 311, and I have 61. I've had 61 funded accounts. But this one's sticking. The only 57 sticking. But yeah, this is a lot. I mean, this is just over time. But there's nothing wrong with having this many if you've been getting paid. But I haven't been paid yet until this week is going to be my first time getting paid. But either way, you just want to spread it out. If you could not, in a perfect world, it would never happen again. But we all know that's not the case. It's just not how it is. Hey, we got 22 people on. Thanks, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for hanging out. Those of you who've been on since I got on, basically, really appreciate you for hanging out. Hopefully, you're learning a lot of what not to do by watching me trade. Although I do have some rules that are really strong and powerful that I've established for myself. It's just a matter of just sticking to that and waiting for the setups, which I'm doing right now. I want to pump this new eval up. I was kind of hoping that we come down to the bottom orb so I could play the bounce, but I don't know if we're going to come back down there right now. We got the bottom orb of the NQs. Hopefully that serves as resistance. We got the lower VWAP band just above it. So you got 2 layers of resistance there without looking at any moving averages, but who knows? It's 12:30 already? Got to do something. We'll see. Let's see what happens. I guess I might have to just force some trades with this new eval. I mean, it's okay. Like, I'm not really forcing anything. I kind of wanted to get the money move, so it was an easier pass. But I don't know. Not sure how we're gonna have to play it a different way now. We're gonna have to adapt. But whatever. Starting tomorrow, I'll have 2 funded accounts, which is cool. Yo, what's up, Op Man? What's going on? What is going on? Just waiting for when I could get in. Waiting for when I could get in to play this new eval I have. Bear with, take a text. You know, I'm doing work stuff for a second. I generate leads for local businesses. That's one of the things I do in my marketing company. And one of the sites I have is a mobile dent repair, like paintless dent removal site, and a lead came in, so I'm just sending it to the guy. Guy texted and probably texted a photo up here. To the tracking number. To the Taylor tracking number. All right. Anyway, let's see what the fuck's happening here. So far, resistance here. I'm getting bored. I want to do something. Let's go short. Fuck it. Let's see. Let's see if we can get a better entry. Uh-oh. Maybe too late. All right. Oh. Anyway, I'm texting in my baseball team chat, fucking with one of the guys on the team. My bad. Anyway, let's see. Oh, just chilling here. We're just waiting for the move. I don't know if the move is to the downside. I would like it to be. Not that I'm going to chase that, but we're hanging out. This is lower VWAP. This is the lower VWAP band on the Qs. I mean, I could see us going up to VWAP, but I wanted to come back. We're hanging. Is this lower orb? Is this bottom orb on the NQ going to be support? Is it going to flip to support? We can't get over. We just wicked over the lower VWAP band on the NQ, so we're kind of consolidating between, the lower VWAP band on the NQ and the lower VWAP band on the Qs, which is right about where the orb is. So let's see what's going to happen here. Is this support now? I have a feeling this is support, but I don't trust it because we could just whatever. It's just a fucking eval. Let me play. Let me get to right there. And if that doesn't work, I'm in micros. What the fuck am I going to do with micros in an eval account? Woohoo! I'm up $1. I'm up $2. $2. I want my $2. I don't know if this is going to hold though. So it might be a blessing in disguise. This is where I want to fucking get in. Let's do this. Oh, it is holding its fucking support. What am I going to do with the two fucking micros? Come on, come back down to the 34. Hit this order right here on the 34. Please. Don't make me chase. So now the lower VWAP band on the Qs is acting like support potentially. Maybe. Would be great if it does. Did I get filled here? Oh my God. Come on, fill me. Fill me. Boom. All right. I'm in long. I'm in one lot long, one contract or whatever on one NQ mini. I'm hoping it comes down here. I mean, shit, I might go down kind of big to get what I want, but this is what happens. See, this actually ended up being resistance. Look at that resistance. The lower VWAP band on the NQ ended up being resistance. We rejected off of that shit. So let's see. Oh man, fill me. 34 showing a support. What was that on the Qs? Nothing really. Would have been cool if we came down here. We're just chopping around, waiting for the big fucking, algo candle. Yeah, I agree. We just need this. We just need the bounce off the lower. I mean, we had the bounce off the pivot point. We hit this pivot point, man, and rejected off of that on the Qs. Came down to this pivot point and bounced that. So now it's time to go back up. We don't necessarily need it to go all the way back up, but 19, it's right here. I mean, it's basically a little higher than the upper VWAP band on the NQ. But we got VWAP here. We got the top orb on the NQ. Did I get filled? It would have been great if I got filled there. One is not going to be enough for me to get what I want. 845 fails. I don't think 845 is failing. I think we're good, man. Oh, I wish I was in like 10. The degenerate in me wish we were in 10. I was hoping to get filled here. I'm gonna add here though. 1. Fuck adding 1. Let's add 3. If we get back down to this fucking 34, I'm adding 3. And then if we get down to this 34, the EMA, if we get down to the EMA, I'm adding 3. If we get down to the SMA, I'm adding 2. And then we'll be in good shape for some degen, eval, fuckery, the shenanigans. Yeah, I agree, Op man. Couldn't agree with you more. Oh, Jonah, I'm good, bro. It's just an eval. I'll get something. I don't know if I'm gonna get it all today, but I'm doing it for the stream. Got to do it for the stream. I keep forgetting I'm in these stupid minis, these micros. It's fucking micros. Woohoo! I'm up 26 bucks on my micros. Killing it. Look at all this. I got to get rid of all this. I don't need all this shit. I don't need all of this. But I like it. I'm just looking for some. I'm just looking for Jonah, like you were commenting about the stochastics. I'm always just looking for another edge that I could have in trading, so that I have multiple tools on the tool, or multiple shoes on the shelf, so I could get. Oh, am I gonna get filled here? Oh my God, just fill me, please. I just want to have more than one pair of shoes on the shelf, so I have other opportunities. Oh, there we go. Let's see if that holds as support. Now, let me go back to this so you can see. Now I'm in 4 long on minis. I might get fucked here. I mean, whatever. What did we hit? What did we hit? Oh my God, this fucking that lower VWAP band on the NQ is strong resistance right now. Oh, back up. Oh, I didn't get filled. Damn, I wish I did. I'll keep it there just in case. 45 is holding strong, Op man, for now. Yeah, so back to the stochastics. If I could get the pattern down, it'd just be another thing I could look for to make trades. Not that I need it. I have like 5 things I look for. I also started drawing my own lines of like support and resistance. But there's not really anywhere I could do that here other than maybe here. So I'm not gonna like just draw lines just to draw them. I like to see, if I see something, I like to draw it, but I don't really see anything. And a lot of times, like if I get the line right, which I've gotten them right for the most part, like if they reject off of it, it's money. And if they get through it and it becomes support, it's money also the other way. So I have I have pivot points, VWAP, and VWAP. I have 3 different levels of VWAP because I have the upper and lower VWAP bands, which could act as separate things, but I'll just leave it as one. I got the orb. I have the 34s on the 1 minute, the EMA and the SMA. And then now I have my own lines that I draw for support and resistance. So I got 5 different ways that I can have an edge trading. The more you have, and then if some of them line up and they're happening around the same time, it's even better. Oh shit, looking good. Oh, I'm up. Oh my God, I'm up 1 million. I wish I had more. I wish I got in. I wish I got filled here. All right, what am I doing? What am I in? 4? We're going up to this fucking VWAP at the very least. What is this? 17.8. 17.879. I'll just hold these literally, I'll hold these micros until fucking the end of the day. What the fucking matters? Oh, whatever. I'll take that. I'll take those off, and I'll take those off here. Whatever. Actually, it doesn't even matter. Like, what the fuck? Who cares? Oh, I should have taken it here. I should have taken it here. I just don't like getting taken out, and then it fucking runs 30 points. Shit's so annoying. 900 is a likely draw higher. That's probably this upper VWAP band on the cues, maybe more. VWAP is right here at 882. The top orb is at 880 on the NQ. Oh, you're talking about take profit trader, X trader. I think you are, because I feel like you've mentioned that before in the past. Yeah, that's why I went down. I went underneath the. I thought they would just let you just go up higher. That's just weird. Some weird rules with them on test accounts. It's like backwards. Meanwhile, with Apex, the consistency rules on a funded account, which makes the most sense. You know what I mean? It makes more sense to have a consistency rule on a funded account that you could actually pull money from. But no, I don't know. It's just weird. But I like Take Profit Trader. They're cool. They're not my favorite, but they're good. I like them. What are we doing here? We're approaching the 1250 algo candle, which is always exciting. Got a dog scratching a hole in the couch right now, trying to get their spot ready. What are we doing here? This is the 10. This purple line is the 105 on the 1 minute, which is the 5 minute 21. Don't ask me why. I'll tell you, it's some dude named Robert Anderson uses the 105 to make a specific type of trade with the ES. But I like having it on the chart because look what happened here. I mean, we're rejecting off of it, but I think we're going to keep going up higher. Let me just, what am I, 4? Let me just fucking, I want to protect these gains. I want to protect the bag. Some of it at least. Although as soon as I get taken out, it's going to fucking pop. I know it. Always happens. So you know what? I don't give a fuck. I'm going to leave it. I just did that, X Trader. I just went up. I mean, it was day one. I just went up. I think I was up like $1,500 something, and I just went under it just to keep myself, in the spot in a good spot. I'd log back in to show you, but I'd have to stop sharing my screen, but I don't. I'm in the middle of this trade. I don't want you guys to miss out on the action. Oh, here we go. I wish I was in more. I'd be done right now. This would be over completely. I'm gonna raise my fucking stop here, which is basically which is blocking the gains. I just hope it doesn't reject off this 105 and come back down to the 9, because I'll be pissed, because then it's gonna pop. I just want to get, oh my god, just fucking pop already. Hit this VWAP. I would play reversal on a VWAP. I feel like it's not going to hit it until we get to this fucking algo candle. What are we doing here? What are we doing here? Ugh. I should have taken this. I'm going to add more here. I don't give a fuck. Watch this. If we get down here, I'll add 2 more there and 1 more here. I don't think we're going to. I wish we did though, so I could add some more and then push this thing over. But let's see what happens. I mean, I'm up 1,400 right now, 1,500. You know what I'm going to do? I'll take half off. I'll take half off at that level that I had the original sell at, 80, 79.50, and then maybe I should do this, 82. I'll take 1 more off the 82 if we get back up there. I don't know. We're approaching this fucking algo candle. Who knows? And then I'll ride the rest. Now I'm getting nervous. I mean, I don't care, but what's this algo candle going to do? At the end of the day, really, honestly, it's fucking $37. But I've said that 311 times. So, you know what I mean? Oh shit, am I going to get filled here? Should have taken a profit. I was up. Oh, give it to me. 15-minute FVG. What is FVG? FVG trading. Now I got to look this up. Oh, fair value gap. Is that what's happening right now? I mean, we got the fill. If we go to the 15 right here, we got the fill. Did it hit it or it didn't fill completely? I mean, that's right here would be about the fill. Uh-oh, 1250, here it comes. Oh, I wish I got more. What's up, Kellis? Hey, 26 people on. Thank you, guys. Thanks for hanging out. If it's your first time here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I stream every day. Trade like a degenerate. Guys have seen me nuke fucking funded accounts live. It's so awesome and embarrassing, but whatever. And not on purpose. I'll tell you that much. And plenty of evals, all that fun stuff. But let's see if I can push this eval over. I'm going to lock. I think I'm going to lock this in. I don't know. We're going up. Here's VWAP. Here's VWAP on the Qs. Here's the top orb on the NQs, and then VWAP on the, oh shit, did I just get taken out of everything? Boom, out of everything. Woo! I'm still in my stupid micros. Watch this. Let me get out of these fucking micros because, yeah, done with the micros, but that was cool. That's not a bad trade for micros. Let me play this VWAP rejection. I don't need to. Are you gonna hit it? You gonna hit it? Hit it. Oh my God, no. Hit it. Hit it. Come on. All right. Top orb and VWAP rejection. Let's see if it works out. I just need another $400. So what is that? I need to go up 10 points right there. Well, I need to go down 10 points, not up. Let's see what happens. We're right here at the upper, we're at VWAP on the NQs, and we just kind of blew through the top orb on the NQs as well, but we're right, oh shit, we're above VWAP on the Qs. I fucking miscalculated that, uh-oh. Let's see if this 300 holds. Let's see if the 300 holds. Let's see if I can pass right here. If not, I'm only in 1? I thought I was in 2, shit. Well, that's not the worst thing in the world. Just because we might be holding that support there. Yeah, I'm okay with that. Let me Let me regroup here. Good thing I'm only in one. This is whatever. Where the fuck are we? I need to make sure. Oh, I know where I'm at. Yeah, see, I fucking did that wrong. Good thing there's only one. What do I want to do here? Yeah, I did catch that dump, and I basically pushed. What's up, Joe? I pushed my Take Profit Trader test account, a new one I had to get. I pushed that test account based right to, actually over 1,500. I had to give some of it back, so I didn't violate their weird consistency rule on test accounts, the 50% consistency rule. So yeah, I caught it. Don't forget the taxes, bro. Fuck the IRS. Oh, did I say that out loud on the stream? I meant they're real swell people. I'm sure the people that work there are great. Anyway, why? So they could send all my money to other countries and kill a bunch of people in wars? Anyway, I don't want to get into that stuff. Let's see what happens here. I mean, I know what's going to happen. That's why I'm glad I'm only in one. It's probably going to go up to this upper VWAP band. We got the 5 minute, we got the 12:55 algo candle about to fucking make an appearance. What do we? Maybe it dumps. I don't even need to go up that much. 82 to, what I do actually, 60, 62, 62. Maybe we reject here in this one that I'm in. This sucks though. I'm not enjoying this. How much time do we have left on this candle? 28 seconds? $9.03. I was so close. This happens to me all the time. I'm glad I'm only in one. $9.03. What am I in short? If it hits the upper VWAP band, I'm playing the fucking short. This candle's about to end. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's gonna happen? Uh-oh. Oh, I got filled. Let me just protect myself. Upper VWAP band. Is it gonna hold? Is it gonna hold on the NQ? Oh, and the Qs. Is it holding? Or are we going up to the fucking pivot point here? Let's see what happens. I don't know. $92. I just need to go down like 82.50. Let's hit 82.50. That would be awesome. I don't know what's going to happen though. Doing it for the stream. Can we push this thing over for the stream? I know. I'm just seeing if it holds. It might hold. It's holding so far, but who the fuck knows? Upper VWAP band on the NQ and the Qs makes me feel a little bit confident, more confident knowing that both of them are there. But yeah, you're right, man. Especially with 4 minutes left in the market. Let's see what happens. I'm just gonna. What the fuck is that? That keeps happening. I don't know what that is. That's the second time I saw that flash across my screen on my fucking Mac. Uh-oh. I'm just gonna fucking protect myself. Not there. I feel like that level could hold. I'll do that here. I mean, I'm up $2,400. So whatever. I just want to, let's see if it hits it. Come on. Give it to me, baby. 900 is Friday's high. That's why you had that as a level. Okay, interesting. We're basically right there, man. There's your rejection. Come on. A little bit more. Wait, I don't need to go down that much. I need to go down to 82.50 to pass this fucking, pass this eval. Right there. Give it to me. You doing it? No, 82.50. Shit. There you go. You doing it? It's right at the 200 on the 1 minute. Come on, baby. Let's pass it for the stream. I have to pee so bad. Probably not a good time to get up to go to the bathroom. Oh no, that's not good. Don't do that. What are you bouncing off of? There, moving average somewhere? Let me see what moving averages are chilling over here. Where are my moving averages? All my moving averages disappeared on this? That's not good. Did I accidentally exit out? Yeah, the 34. 894.75. I need to go down to this. I need to go down. I accidentally got rid of my moving averages completely on the Qs, but whatever. Because I don't know if this is, I don't know if we're going to get it. That was the chance. That was the opportunity, basically. It just didn't, I don't know. We might hold. $27 people on the stream. Thanks, guys. Welcome if you're just tuning in. We're doing some degen trading right here. Trying to push this new Apex eval over the $3,000 profit goal. We were close. We got real close, and then it kind of didn't get what we wanted. Maybe we'll get it again here. We'll see. We'll see. Got this upper VWAP band so far holding resistance, and then we have the up on the Qs, and then the upper VWAP band on the NQs holding resistance. But pivot point is not too far away. Top orb is not too far away, and then the pivot point on the Qs. So I mean, we could push that far up. I mean, these are ugly candles. This is like ugly. I got a lot of that though. I got all of that actually on a Take Profit Trader test account. But yeah, if you're not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button. And if you want to support the channel and you want to try Take Profit Trader or Apex for the first time, or you need new evals and test accounts, my coupon codes are flashing below the screen right now at the bottom, and they're also in the description. You'll get 80% off. My wife's making fun of me. You get 80% off Apex evals, any size, and 1 day to pass. Actually, that's ending tomorrow, so who knows what they're going to do next. They're always doing good deals. And Take Profit Trader is 40% off any size test account, and zero upgrade fee, like zero cost to the upgrade once you pass. I guess I'm going to get taken out here. Oh, it came back down. I fucking missed that. Yeah, I might get taken out here. What's going to happen? I'm going to get taken out. That sucks. Yep, going to taken out right here. No? Yep. Oh, that sucks. That sucks. All right, let's see. Let's regroup and see what we could do. What's next? Pivot point right here. Oh, well. Still have the account. That sucks, though. I had a chance to get out right there. I didn't even notice. Man, you're good with your levels, bro. You're really good with your levels. Hope you took advantage of that. All right, let's see. We're going to get to this pivot point. I'm going to go long. Now it's going to go short. This is just a stupid market entry, chasing way up here. Dumb shit right there. Dumb degen shit. It's gonna bite me in the ass. Let's see what else is here. Nothing. Unless this upper VWAP band holds on the Qs. We'll see. And then what I'll do here, sell to. Here we go, 942.50. That's what I gotta go to, 942. Sell to. So I'll get taken out of 2, and maybe I'll get filled on 2. For the stream, no, yes, no. We got this pivot point here at 942-ish. I don't know if it's going to hold. Upper VWAP. Oh, we're not even near that. We're right here. Oh, we're right at we just hit the pivot point on the Qs. Shit. That's not good. we're going to go down. We're going down, I think. Watch this. I should have taken that $100. We're going down. Now I'm chasing. Now I'm chasing. Gave back $1,000 in gains. Oh, now it's going to go the other way. This was we basically hit the pivot point. We did hit the pivot point on the Qs. This is the post line. We just hit that shit, and we're going down. I think we're going to go down. I could be wrong though. I was wrong just before. I didn't get enough of what I needed. I'm just doing dumb shit now because I want to push this shit over. But whatever. I could go into the next day up 1,500 in a fucking eval account. What's the next level here? 904.50. Can we go down to 905? Oh, dude. Maybe. Kind of want more. I wish I had more. And she may be going back to, yeah, that'd be great. She owes me money. She owes me money, op man. I would agree with you, Joe. The only thing that's has me thinking maybe not the case, although it's possible, right? It could go either way, is we just hit the pivot point on the Qs right after the bell close. So now we're kind of rejecting off of it. I would feel like we would come down to this level before it bounces back up. Well, we're running out of time now because volume's low. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We're kind of in the middle of nowhere here on the NQ in terms of what I look for. And the 34 is nowhere to be. The 34s are down here. I don't know. Very possible. It would suck being that close. I was so close. It would have been cool to get it over during the stream. But you know what? Shit happens. Yeah, volume is like drying up at this point. Probably got another 5 minutes of any decent amount of volume. I would even add more here. That's literally the pivot point. That's the pivot point right there. Maybe not 3. I'll add 2. That's the pivot point on the Qs. Right there. Uh-oh. Trailing match drawdown is starting to shrink down. I am short. I'm short, and I'm adding more at the pivot point. We're about to hit it again. Actually, that might not be it. I might need to go a little higher. Right about here. Yeah, see, the volume is just drying up. It's barely moving now. Valiant effort to get this one over. I'll just get this one over tomorrow. I'm not really in a hurry to get another funded account and get another eval over because it doesn't matter. I have to wait. Really, I got it. The next payout period is the 5th. After this one, the next payout period starts on the 15th. So why? I mean, I'm gonna have another one tomorrow anyway because I got this one over. I got this one over earlier. Got it over. I mean, this was up like 400, $500 before the day started from Friday, and then I got it over today. So that'll be my second funded account. This one, it's not the end of the world. This one doesn't go over today. I don't, it is what it is. But let's see if we can get some more out of it. Would love for it to hit this, which is the upper VWAP band on the NQ. It's at 904.75. I got, I'm a little bit above it at 905.50. Maybe we get it. What is that? 19. So what is that? 14 points. 14 times 60. 60 times 14. $840. That'd be cool. That pushed me. That would basically put me back where I was before I fucking fucked this up. So we'll see what happens, and then chase this like a fucking dummy. I have one now, but the one I have left, I fucked up. I fucked up number 60, but did dumb shit today. But this one I traded micros, got it up another $216. This is on day 8. I'm way over. So I'm feeling, I mean, I'm not going to fuck that one up. The only way I fucked out, I don't even want to talk about it. That one's good. And then I just got this one over today, earlier. I got that one over today. And then this one I'm trying to push over right now. Oh, it really bounced off the 9? Fuck that 9. So, anyway. Oh, why not under? Oh, Joe, are you asking why not under 905.50? Well, there's no volume, and I'm just playing for this. I'm playing for this upper VWAP band, which I don't even know if it's going to hit, because now we're just moving back up. Hopefully we're right here, which would also fall in line with the upper VWAP band on the Qs. We're just hanging in between right now. Yes, Ree, that's awesome. Yeah, I'll be requesting 2K. I'll be requesting 2K, which will be the first time ever. Imagine they say no. No. We watch your streams and you're a degenerate. We see what you do. Okay, we're up 200. Can we gonna keep going? It'd be cool, man. If we could come down, that would be amazing. We come down this far, but I don't think it's gonna happen. What am I in 3? I need to fucking change that to 3 because I added one. This is my stop before I get into any more trouble. That's a lot though. Shit. Look at my stop here. Maybe I should just lock this in because I don't fucking know. I just don't like how it's moving around. This 9 it bounced off the 9 again. I fucking hate the 9. Yeah, they do. They love me. I'm one of their favorite. I guarantee you I'm one of their favorite fucking degens. Look at this. 311 evals, 61. Well, 61's gone, but I've had 61 funded accounts. This will be 62, and I haven't been paid yet. They haven't had to send me any money, except for like the little bit of affiliate commissions I've gotten from having this channel, you know. That's it. You know what I mean? So, yeah, I'm one of their favorites. I'm sure there's a lot, I'm sure there's a ton of people like me. There's got to be worse. I can't be the worst one. There's got to be worse. All right, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to fucking lock in gains. I'm going to lock in gains right here. If it comes back to the fucking, actually, it's going to come back and then it's going to drop. I fucking know it. I'm going to lock gains here. Come on, hit my fucking take profit, man. Let's go. Please. Here, Joe. We know. They're fucking being annoying about I'm eligible. Like I could get a custom coupon code and they didn't give it to me because they said, oh, you can't have more than one affiliate account. Because I have one with my partner. I have one with my partner. Oh, here we go. Fuck. Oh, that sucks. What the fuck? What did we just bounce off of? Nothing? That's not good. Oh, this became support. No, we're not even near it. Got the blue line. They said you couldn't have more than one affiliate account. I'm like, why not? They're completely separate sources of traffic. They're completely separate sources of traffic and completely separate entities. And I haven't heard back from them. So fuck them. I'll just keep using my shitty coupon code. That's, what is it? If you want to get some evals through my link, you can click on the link in the description below. And my coupon code is PWPCGSEH. Try to remember that. That's so much easier to remember than ZERODAYJAY, which is my take profit trader coupon code. Uh-oh. Gave back all those gains. What was I up? I should have put that fucking stop in place. 7 points. I was up $400+. Whatever. Now I'm fucking pissed. Right. Had to let a dog out. Hey, that's fucked up. I should have taken that. That would have put me. Oh, you streamed? Good shit, man. Hey, man, if you plan it, I'm subscribing to your channel, man, by the way. If you're planning on like doing the streaming thing and like, you know, doing that, I highly recommend you your build up your subscriber base with actual regular content. Um, Bruce Lean, what a name! If you're watching the stream still, I'm pretty sure you subscribe because you're watching the stream. Thank you for the subscription. Thank you for subscribing to the stream. I stream every day. Um, you can watch me do dumb degen shit like I did now. I just gave away some gains. I gave away a lot of gains. I was almost there. I just needed it to come down a little bit more and I would have fucking passed this eval, but no. No, they didn't want me to. Apex was watching. Apex was watching the stream and they said, no, you're not getting it, Zero Day Jay. Oh, at least we're back green now. Bet that faked out a lot of people. I almost got stopped out. Come on, keep going down. Dump. Hit this right here. I don't think it's going to. So Bruce, and that's a great name, Bruce Lean. But yeah, man, if you're planning on like streaming and stuff like that, and you want people to watch, you're probably going to want to build up your subscriber base with some content. You know, just my advice as the marketing side of me talking. Like Gary V always like guys know who Gary Vaynerchuk is. He's big, huge social media guy. Like you just gotta just keep putting it out there, and eventually, you'll start getting people's attention. You know. Anyway, I blew mine on day 5, Dom C today, and I got a new one and have it up just under 1,500. So just got to keep moving forward, right? If you were trading earlier in the day, it was a little crazy. Oh yeah, let's go. Give it to me. Give it to me. What up, Dom C, by the way? Great to see you, man. Yeah, thanks, Russell. Yeah, yeah. If you need to do a copy and paste, it's right in the description. I'll show you guys on a new tab because that's more important than this trade I'm in, right? Who needs to watch the trade? I mean, I got my stops in place. I'm being sarcastic, by the way. Home. Here's the live stream. So like, yeah, you see this bottom ticker here. I added that to try not to be too obnoxious with it. If that's how you can support the channel, guys. That you still Jesus still watching. And then in here, here's my take profit trader link. Here's my coupon code for that. Here's my Apex coupon code here in the description and my link. All right. Anyway, back to our regular programming, which is degenerate shenanigans. Especially now where basically the market's basically closed. We got 45 minutes left before futures close for an hour. And I'm over here trying to fucking get a little bit more. I had my chance right here. Should have just taken it there. Now there's even less volume now than there was, 4 minutes ago. Thanks, Russell. Appreciate it. Really appreciate your support, man. Use it every time, baby. But even if this is the only time you use it, much appreciated, man. New Apex up 1K. Nice. Nice, Dom C. Nice, Dom C. Hey, man. I'm glad I could do that for you. I'm glad I could serve some inspiration. If someone as bad at trading as I am can do this and just do these streams and look awful most of the time, I mean, you're actually really good at trading. So people might actually learn something from you. Yeah, that's the biggest thing. I'm holding myself accountable to whoever's crazy enough or to watch me, because there's other guys out there that are so much better at this than I am. But I'm an open book, and if anything, I think I think most people that do this are a lot more like me than they are like the other guys that are awesome at this and always get paid. A lot of people, have been doing this for a while and haven't been paid once yet, like myself. So I think a lot of more people could relate to me than they can relate to someone that's always winning, or just appears to be always winning. So I'm in line finally to get my first payout. Right here, this account's up. I got a nice trailing match drawdown. I got to get more. I feel like I have to get more. I'm only going to trade Michaels. I have 2 more days left on this one, and then it'll be my first ever fucking payout doing this prop firm shit. So I'm really excited. I'm looking forward to that. But I had 5 funded accounts this week. I only have this one, but I'll have 2 tomorrow. I'll have this one tomorrow. Will be a funded account, and this one I'll push over whenever. You know, today, tomorrow, during the overnight. I'll probably do it during the overnight. But right now, I was close. I could have had it over. All I had to do was get out like right around here, and then regroup and switch, and it just didn't go the way. Just went the wrong way. So shit happens. But it's still up $1,500. So I'm not like crying about it. And it's just an eval. Yeah, Joe. Exactly. I'm not bad at it. I just bad habits creep in at the wrong at inopportune times, and I'm working on spreading out the time. I'm working on getting more time in between when I go full tilt and fuck up and make mistakes. You know what I mean? I'm trying to spread out the occurrences so they don't happen as much. That's the goal. It's getting there, but today I fucked up, nuked another funded. This one I don't care. Like this one was down. This was down. I had $6 in my trailing max drawdown. See, it's gone now. Whatever. But that one was in good shape too. This one was up 1,400 fucking bucks overall before I started the day, and I fucking, shit happens, man. I'm not even mad. I probably would be even more. I'm not mad because I have this, but if I didn't have this, I'd be really fucking pissed. I'd be singing a different tune. I nuked a take profit trader test account that was on day 5 today. That was up pretty good. It was up like 1,400 bucks. I fucked that one up. Hit the daily loss limit by $5. I did my math wrong. So I got another one and it's up 1,500. I just got to keep moving forward. Every failure is getting you closer to success. What the fuck's going on in this account? What are we doing? Oh, down 120 in this position. Awesome. Yeah, I like take profit trader, and they're gonna because I will get another pro account, aka funded account, and they will pay me fast, and I will get daily payments from them. Mark my fucking words. You heard it here on the stream. Yeah, trailing your stop. Yeah, I do that too. But you know what happens to me, Joe? I'll move my stop up. It's funny how it plays out. But I'll move my stop up, which I should have here. I would have locked in gains like 200 bucks. Instead, I'm just hanging in this trade, rotting away in this trade that there's no fucking volume. What'll happen is I'll raise my stop to lock in gains. It'll hit it, and then it will continue to run 20 points in whatever direction the trade was in, and I miss out on all those props. Happens to me all the fucking time. Not all the time, but very often. And then if I don't lock it in, like I just did here, like if I would have locked this in, it would have kept going down and hit my take profit. But because I didn't lock it in, here I am sitting in the trade still. That's what happens, at least in my mind. It just seems like that's how it is for me. Yeah. Yeah, anything is better than negative. You're right. 10, 15 bucks is better than, but on the flip side, as long as you're keeping your L when you do have to take an L, as long as you're keeping that to a minimum. Because if you're only going to make $10, $15 a trade, you know, it's going to take a lot of trades to grow the account as opposed to, making the right trades at the right time with the right setup, based on whatever rules you like to follow. Because, you know, I'd rather like play a orb bounce and get 10 to 20 points than fucking do what I'm doing right now. But this is just because there's no volume. I'm literally going to just sit in this. Oh, now we're back at the 34. The 34 went over my take profit area. I don't know what the fuck we're going to do here. I'll be right back. I got to pee. If you guys want to hang out for a few more minutes or another 15 minutes or so, I just got to pee. I'm dancing over here. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Oh, people left. Well, I figured that was going to happen. Well, what are we doing? Nothing. Just going sideways. What's up, Trevor? Welcome back. Unless you've been hanging out this whole time. I don't think you were, but you were on right when I started. Yeah, just got to keep moving forward. Just chilling. I mean, there's going to be a move at some point towards the end, you know? What I'm going to do here is I'm going to lock one in at the 34 SMA, lock another one in at the EMA, just in case we come down that far. And then I'll see, and then the other one, I'll just ride. Well, yeah, we're just going sideways. Yeah, yeah, that was a nice push. I I, I was wrong. I almost got this eval up over 3,000. I just got this one literally for the stream, and I was at like 20. Well, let's see. Let's do the math. My trailing max drawdown 1,300 bucks. So 1,200 from here. I was literally like 400, like a little more than 400 bucks away, and I fucking fucked it up. Came that close. Yeah, my strat, Nate. My strat is sound. But what's up, man? I hope you're still here. My strat is solid. The strat isn't the problem. It's what's in between my ears. The mindset and the emotions are the problem. My strat is solid. I trade the up. I trade the orb, the pivot points, and VWAP, and then the 34s on the 1 minute. Nothing wrong with that. That's money. It's when I get anxious or antsy, or I get annoyed and frustrated that I start doing dumb shit. But it's okay. I'm about to get my first. I'm about to get my first payout right here. My strat is fine, dude. I hope Nate's still here. I've heard of ICT. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with it. I followed the ZDJ. Hey Nate, you know about ZDJ? You should change your strat to ZDJ. Yeah, I hate blowing them too. I could guarantee you it's not going to be the last account you ever blow, though. Just the better we get at this, and the more we get our emotions under control, the less frequently it will happen. That's the goal. Get it to the point where it just doesn't happen as often. It happens a lot less. You know what I mean? Spread out those times. Spread out. Get the time in between that to be larger and larger, so that they happen fewer and fewer times. Where's Nate at? Where's my boy Nate? Nate, you ever hear of ZDJ? Are you still here, bro? Or did you leave when I went to pee? Yeah, man, I'm really happy about it too. I mean, I haven't secured it yet. I have 2 more days left, and I have to, obviously Apex has to accept it. They have to accept the withdrawal request, but pretty sure they're going to. There's no reason unless they watch this and they're like, ugh, I see the way I see your streams, you know. Yeah, I did that today too. I did that. I can't tell you how many times I've done that, bro. Yeah, I guess that was my chance. Oh man, look, it pretty much came down to the 34. That might have been my chance to fucking get out of this shit. I was up. What was I up? 1975, 17-ish, whatever. It was probably up like 50, 60 bucks. Let's see what happens here. Let me change this. I do want to lock in some gains. So let me get out here. These 34s are spreading, getting further and further apart. I mean, this is just getting stupid at this point because it's sideways. Yeah, I'm not doing that. Yeah, full port. I've done that plenty of times in past. I've also nuked as many accounts, well, probably twice as many accounts as I passed doing the 10. Because what happens is like, yeah, all you need, let's say on 100, or 10 minis, all you need is you need 15.25 points to pass. You might need more because the fees are going to be higher on 100 micros. But let's say on 10 minis, you need, oh my God, it hit it again. Just fucking take me out. Damn. You need 15.25 points at 10 micros, 10 minis, I'm sorry, 10 minis to pass an eval. But what happens is if you go down 12.5 points, your trailing max drawdown gets hit. So like it's risky. So you're better off playing like 5 so you have more room for error, you know, and you just got to get 30. You got to get a little more than 30. You got to get like 30.5 points at that point. We're going to dump here. What are we doing? We got the half-hour candle, switch in. I mean, we're just in the middle of nowhere. Just literally going sideways because of what time it is. Full port, baby. I should go full port in my PA account that I don't need to trade anymore, right? That'd be pretty fucking smart. Let me make sure I exit all positions and cancel all, even though I've done that 30 times already. Let me get back into this fucking account. Come on, just hit it. Let's go. We dumping here. The 34 is going to be support. Can you take me out of 1? Give me something. Getting bored here watching this. Hey, for those of you that are still here hanging out, really appreciate you guys for hanging out on the stream. Thanks for sticking around. Anyone that just popped in, what's up? Thanks for stopping by. Subscribe to the channel. I stream every day. I'm not the greatest trader. I don't even know if I'm a good trader yet, but I keep trying, you know. So I keep improving, working on getting better every day. About to get my first payout as a prop firm trader. As long as I don't fuck up the account within the next 2 days, and I don't see that happening because I'm going to trade real small with like 1 or 2 micros at the very least, with small profit goals and loss goals, you know. Or that's not the way to look at it. It's the least amount of loss. Oh, look at that. Bounce right off the 34 again. Jesus. I guess I'm not getting taken out. Damn it, man. God damn it. Let's do some wishful thinking here. It's not going to happen. I'm going to get fucking stopped out. Whatever. I get stopped out. I'm still up at $1,200. Who cares? I could have gotten out before, but I didn't. So it is what it is. I got so many tabs open. I got tabs on tabs on tabs open in this other computer. What is this? I don't even know what I have open. I don't even remember. Just endless amount of tabs. Here's another tab. Did I hit them all? No. Still got tabs open. Still finding tabs open. Jeez. Just sitting here in this position, going sideways, waiting for it to break one way or the other towards the end of the day. Got 28 minutes left. I mean, something's going to happen soon. I just don't know which way it's going to go. If it happens the way I don't want it to go, I got to stop in place. I'm in 3 short on the NQ in this eval that I just got for the stream. Did it for the stream. Just closing out tabs. Holy shit, I got like an endless amount of tabs open on this laptop. Jesus. Holy shit, I have so many tabs open. What are we doing here? Anything? Nothing. Everyone got wrecked and left. TradingView says volume is at 20 inputs. Is that good or bad, Dom C? I don't know if that's a lot. I don't really pay attention because I know the volume was low after hours, and I know the volume was high during regular trading hours. Yeah, I mean, at this point, it's going to be computers moving this thing up and down. Oh, that's awful. That's really low. Sheesh. Oh my God, yeah. I mean, it's going to pick back up though in like 10 minutes. Well, there's still 13 people hanging strong though. I guess they're wondering. I guess they're waiting to see what happens here. Either that or they forgot they were even on. Now there's 11. They know nothing's going to happen. They were waiting to see if I could push this thing over. They're probably waiting to see if I either pushed it over or completely nuked it. But neither is going to happen at this point. Yeah, bad entries will do that to you. See, that's the biggest thing. You know, sticking with the plan. Once, anytime you stick with the plan, you make you have gains. Anytime we deviate from the plan, we nuke accounts every fucking time. Not maybe not so maybe not nuke, but definitely lose. Give up a lot of gains and put yourself in a bad deficit. But a lot of times, in my case at least, it turns into nukes. Cool, Joe. Appreciate you, man. I'm hanging out with you guys too. We're all hanging out right now. But yeah, dude. I had a long week. I wanted to stream last night. What did I do? Oh, so Saturday there was a big music festival out here called Sick New World. So you can see this hat. My wife and daughter went. I dropped them off, and I just bought a car for my daughter. Her first car. She got a license a few months back or whatever. And I wanted to. The paint was a little. Paint needed some love. So I used to detail cars back in the day. I still have all my stuff, so I wanted to surprise her and make the paint look good while they were at the show. And then they're hitting me up saying, "Are you coming?" I didn't have a ticket. When you don't get a ticket, you use a wristband now, at least at those shows. I didn't have one. So I was like, shit, I guess I'm kind of in the middle of something. But yeah, I'll come through later to catch the last show. I mean, there was a ton of awesome bands there, but the two that were at the end um, was Slipknot was headlining. They were the last show, they were the second to last show, and then System of a Down was the last show. Um, and I was able to get a wristband from Facebook Marketplace because, dude, people that ended up not being able to go, they're just sitting on this $400 wristband, and I got it for fucking $100 from some dude, and I went and saw Slipknot and System of a Down, and went to with my wife and my daughter, so that was really awesome. But I was shot. It was a long day, and then I played baseball. Yeah, System of a Down is so dope. They were so good, so good. Slipknot was awesome too. I remember Slipknot when I was like, you know, I was just out of high school and they came out, and that first album was fire, you know. But they were really good. System of a Down, I like System of a Down a little more. They were both awesome though. And then yeah, and then I played baseball and I had a double header yesterday. So I had we didn't get home till like 2 o'clock, almost 2 o'clock. It was like 1:30, 2 o'clock when we got home. It was a nightmare getting out of there, obviously, as you can imagine. and then and then my son works. My son was opening the store. He works at Tropical Smoothie Cafe. Actually, my daughter does too. He was opening that day. He was opening Sunday morning, and I had to take him. So he woke. He had to be there at 6. I got up at like 10 to 6 to take him there. It's only a few minutes away. Then I came back, got like another 20 minutes or a half hour sleep, and I had a game at 8 o'clock. My first game at 8. So I basically was playing baseball from 8 o'clock, well, 7:30, 7:45 until like 2:30. And then I came back home. I was going to stream last night, but I was shot. I was like fucking tired as shit. So I'm glad I needed that rest. If I would have stayed up streaming, I'd be on like 3 hours of sleep probably. So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Now we're just sitting here waiting. I guess people got bored and came back. We're back to 18 people. I guess they're wondering if I nuked this Apex eval account that I got during the stream. Nope, still hanging, still literally going sideways for the last, since the market closed, since the regular trading hours ended, literally sideways. I was kind of hoping for something. I had a chance to get taken out, and I fucking didn't take it. I'm just waiting for the move to go either way. There's always a move towards the end, waiting for it to go one way or the other. I could get taken out for a stop, for an L, or get taken out for some profit. What up? No. What's up? Goop God. Yeah, System of a Down is fucking good. They were so good. You could find their here. Let me get the link. Obviously this one's pretty good quality. This is their set from the show. I sent it to my my people I grew up with. We have like a homie chat. I sent it to them. I'm gonna post it in here. This was their set in Vegas at Sick New World. The whole thing. Someone got good quality recording of it and made a playlist. They were awesome. That's it right there. I don't know. I mean, I wouldn't skip a whole trading day, Dom C. Just trade, maybe trade smaller if you're not feeling it. Just trade a little smaller and, be a little bit more conservative than you normally are. If you're like exhausted like that, or maybe limit your amount of trading. Don't trade for that long. I've had days like that plenty of times. Oh yeah, dude. Yeah. I don't even. What's up, Bull Tent? What's happening? The mornings are crazy, Dom. That's when I nuked number 60 during the morning time. Fucking nuts. Shit moves around too much. I didn't see, like, I knew, I had a feeling it was going to roll over, and I just did dumb shit. Afternoons are good. I don't know. It just doesn't move around as much. It's more my speed, I guess you could say. But yeah, I learned the hard way today. Well, I should have known better, but to trade micros even in my other account, that's not like, I'm kind of like conserving my one account that's in payout territory, and I still have 2 days left. But the other account, I probably should have traded micros in as well during when the shit was moving around crazier earlier today, like in the morning time. Should have, and now I will. I'm moving forward. Yeah, the shit moves around so much, Dom. It's fucking nuts. Bull tent. Hope you had a good day trading today. Today was a mixed bag for me, but the important stuff is still the important thing is I still have my PA number 50, lucky number 57. I added another 216 to my trailing max drawdown. Trading micros, wasn't doing anything stupid. I literally was in like 2 to 4 at most. Made a couple of trades, and I really made one good trade, and then I wanted to push it over 200, so I got in again. So anyway, that's the most important thing, and I got another eval over. And then I nuked this fucking one, being an idiot. I'm so annoyed about that because that was basically 3 days away from me being able to request a payout on that, and I fucked it up. So whatever, it is what it is. And then I have this one that's up here. This one was actually at like 2,600, up 2,600, and I didn't take profits when I should have, and then it just went the other way, and I got taken out for I got stopped out for a loss. It is what it is. So now I'm just waiting for this move to happen one way in either direction. 20 people back on. Yeah, that account. You didn't trade at all today? You didn't take any shots? There was plenty of, I mean, I saw plenty of opportunities. I mean, you had a pivot point rejection at the top of the cues here. You had this pivot point rejection around like going to like 2 o'clock, and it rejected like 140 points, came all the way back down to this pivot point and bounced. I mean, right there, as far as I'm concerned, is huge opportunity. And we came back. Look, we bounced almost back up to almost basically hit the pivot point again. So I don't know, but I mean, that's what I saw based on some of the rules that I follow. If it wasn't conducive for the rules that you follow, then I get it. You didn't take the trades. But I don't know. The degenerate in me is gonna be like, I'm taking something here. I just might just trade a little smaller than I normally do. I can't not trade. That's probably my problem. That's probably why you don't nuke as many accounts as I do. Yeah, trades by Matt. He popped in one of the streams once. He's good. He trades the opening range breakout, like the literally opening range breakout when the market opens. A lot of guys do. I'm not waking up at fucking. I'm not waking up. I'm not forcing myself to wake up at 6:30 in the morning, especially if I'm trading at night during the overnight. Am I missing out on monster gains? Possibly. I'm also probably missing out or protecting myself from having monster L's too, monster losses and neutral accounts. Uh-oh. Oh shit, I got taken out of 2. I got 1 left. Woohoo! One more. Come on, hit it. Hit it. Hit it. I'm locking this in no matter what. Let me put my stop here. That was fun. I love when that happens. Come on, hit it. It dumped for your boy. Boom. Out of all 3. What did I get there? 90. Was I in 5? I don't think I was in 5. Was I in 5? I don't even know what the fuck I was in. Boom. Where are we going now? I definitely added, like, let's see, 90, 70. 150, 115, 90, and 70. What is that? 115, 205, 275. All right, so not quite back to the 2600, but I gave myself a little bit of breathing room on my trailing max drawdown. I'm at 1600. I'll just push this shit over tomorrow. But yeah, the trade worked out. Woohoo! Are we coming all the way down? I don't think so. There's just not enough volume. Hey, Dom, did the trade, like you said, there were like 20, what'd you say there was 20 orders or something like that? Let's see. Did it pick up a little bit? Did the volume just pick up? We just hit 20 inputs. So the inputs are a little higher right now, Dom. Mugs. I don't know. If you're going to request a payout on Friday and it's day 10, it's your 10th day, I would hit up support and just double check. Technically, it's no, it's the 1st to the 5th. It's the 1st to the 5th, so I would wait until the 1st. If you're already through 10 days. Oh, I do have volume on my chart. It's just down here. Oh, I have a different, I don't know. This isn't telling me anything. It's probably something else that I got to put on there. I don't really care all that much. I don't really, I get what you're saying. I know that there's no volume at this time of the day. Watch us get a rejection at this 34. I'm not trading anymore, I don't think. Mugs, yeah, bro, my man. Yeah, the withdrawal period is from the 1st to the 5th. So just wait till, if you're already through 10 days, just wait till the 1st. Just do it on the 1st. Or whatever, yeah, wherever you're at. I don't think you can request on the 30th. It might not even show up. Let me log into my Apex account. I'm gonna hide my screen for a second again so I can log into my Apex account and show you at least what I see. Stop. I'm going to hide my screen. All right, my screen's being hidden. Let me just confirm that on the stream. Don't need everybody seeing. Actually, you wouldn't be able to see my password anyway. So let me go to Apex. This is my Sick New World hat. My Sick New World hat. Actually, my wife got it. My wife and daughter got it for one of them, and they didn't like the way it fits. They're like, "Oh, I got a gift for you," and they basically handed down the hat to me when they went. This is the merch that they got for themselves, but they didn't like the way it fitted, so it became my hand-me-down gift. But it's cool. It's a little big on the top. My head's kind of, I have a narrow head up here. Just bear with me. I'm logging into my Apex account. All right, let me go. So PA charts. All right, I'm going to share my screen again. Sharing screen, entire screen. Boom, boom. All right, back to sharing. So you got the dash. You got all of your stuff here. And then you go to PA charts. Eval charts show you where your evals are at. These used to just be account summary, so this is new. So you have your eval charts here. I still don't know why 125 is showing. This is from March. 125 is literally almost 200 evals ago. Then you go to PA charts, and if you're eligible for a withdrawal, actually no, that's not even where you go. That just shows you where you're at with your funded accounts. You can go to the request payout. So here, this says no records, which means I can't request a payout. So Mugs, like, I'm pretty sure when you're eligible to request a payout, it'll appear here. I'm pretty sure that's how it's going to play out. I don't know yet, though, because I've never requested a payout, although I am right in line to request a payout on this account, number 57. 57 right here. That's from the movie Lucky Number 11. That's why I keep saying 11 with the L. I think that's a movie with Brad Pitt, old movie. But yeah, this one is in line. I'm expecting, I guess what's going to happen is when it's eligible for a payout that I can request it will appear in here. And I think that'll happen for you too, Mugs, depending on what day you're on. Yeah, wife. Yeah, thanks, man. Yeah, Joe. I have 4 kids. That just happens to be my oldest daughter. I have 2 girls and 2 boys. She's the oldest. She's 17, and I have a 16-year-old son, a 14-year-old son, and a 12-year-old daughter. And all of them are about to go up a year starting in May. Their birthdays are in May, June, July, and July. So everyone's going to 13, 15, 17, and 18. And then my wife's birthday is in April. So I literally get hammered with birthday stuff from April through July. April, May, June, and July. 5 people that have birthdays. Yeah. But yeah, that's exactly why we can't quit. That's why I'm not quitting. You know, obviously I'm doing it for me as well, but obviously what I do for me is going to benefit them. You know, so this will be the first of many. So here we are. We hit the 34. Hit the 34 on the NQ on the 1 minute, 34 EMA, and it's kind of rejecting off it. But like at this point, there's like no point in taking trades. Oh yeah, are you still trading though? Like, are you at least flipping at this point, Mugs, or trading like 1 micro at a time? Oh, look at that rejection! Damn, what is that? 2 points. You see that? Could have got 2 points. We're pretty much done. I am not a Raiders gang. No way. I'm a Giants fan. I'm from New York. New York Giants. I've been alive for 4 Super Bowls, 4 Super Bowl wins. I remember the one in '86 when like they had Sims and Taylor and Carl Banks and all those guys. You know, and what's his name, Mark Bavaro. I was there. I was old enough to remember that one. I was there when the year that Phil Sims got hurt and Jeff Hostetler took him to the promised land. That was awesome. I was also there when they lost with Kerry Collins after they destroyed the Vikings. They destroyed the Vikings and then went to the Super Bowl. And then, of course, when Eli beat the GOAT twice, I saw both of those games at my boy Joe's house with all my boys where I grew up. Those games were incredible. What is flipping? It's like when you, Joe, when you flipping contracts is like when you hop in and out real quick, just to get the just for a day of trading to count. Like you would do that. The only reason you would do that, yeah, I wouldn't use any more than one. I know you could use 20%, but now you're on day 10. I would just trade a little bit tomorrow. If you did, I'm sure you traded a little bit today. Trade a little bit tomorrow, and then on Wednesday that should, on Wednesday it should show up in here, right? It should show up in here, and you'll be good to go at some point during the day. Probably right away, like when you wake up, because you already got your 10 days in. But Joe, yeah, it's just a flipping contracts is just hopping in and hopping out real quick, like with the micro. You know, you do that with a PA account, that's where you need it to be, or like if you're over with a funded account. So like Apex, when they're not doing this 1 day to pass promotion, they're usually at 7 days, or they'll do another promo where it's 3 days. Like they'll do like 90% off in 3 days. Once in a while, they'll do 90% off in 1 day. They're savages. Oh my God, we're dumping. Are we gonna hit 105.50, 1905.50, which was my original sell order? We're gonna hit it. We're gonna hit it. But whatever. So like, let's say they don't have any consistency rules on eval. So let's say you get up three, it's gonna hit it. I can't believe it. Let's say you get up 3,000 in 1 day. You're over 3,000. You basically hit your goal. But let's say they're back on 7 days to pass an eval, or 3 days, or whatever it is. Let's say they're back on more than 1 day, and you're over. You just hop in and out of a micro real quick, and it counts as a trading day. You know, that's what flipping means. Inversionista, what's up, man? I don't even know if you're well, inversionista. Does that mean because it ends in A? Does that mean that you're a female? If you are, then I apologize. What's going on, inversionista? Let's see. I don't know how, with Spanish, I know if it ends in an A, it's usually feminine, or if it ends in O, it's masculine, from back when I was taking Spanish in high school. Anyway, yeah, 57 is in amazing shape. Still in line for my first payout. 56, I had a $6 trailing max drawdown. I actually got in a trade by accident in this account, with micros. Thought it was in 57, but it wasn't. Got up quick and then went down $6, whatever. I knew that one was a goner. This one I'm a little annoyed about. This was up $1,400 overall, and today would have been day 6 or 7. So I lost this other funded account. So I'm down to the one I have that's in line for a payout. This, I fell into some bad habits, old habits here. Oh well. And then I got this eval over. This eval's over. And then I have this eval here up $1,700, almost $1,800. I'll push it over tomorrow or during the overnight. If I'm up tonight and the market is playing within where I like to trade, I will be streaming tonight for sure. And then my take profit trader account, actually nuked my take profit trader account that was on the test account by $5. I didn't do the math right on the fucking daily loss limit, but I got another one, and that one's up just under $1,500. So that's how my day went. How's your day going, inversionista? Or how did your day go? Yeah, you could go down to one micro and just trade a little, Joe. You can do whatever you want. Yeah, exactly. That's flipping, hopping in and hopping right out. If you can't help yourself in no Apex consistency rule for me, unless Apex does have a consistency rule on funded accounts, but take profit trader. Apex does on PA accounts. They don't want you going up more than 30% of your overall profit in any one day, any one trading day. But it's a loose consistency rule. They're not going to hold you to the percentage point, from what I understand, from what I've learned from watching other people's content and just people that I talk to about it, like on the stream. They're not super strict with it. But if it's obvious, if it's blatant, then they will hold you to it. They only have it on funded accounts. Apex does not have a consistency rule on evals. Take Profit Trader does have a consistency rule on evals. They don't want you going up more than 50% of your total profit in any one day during your test. So anyway, the market's about to close. I gotta make my update videos, and I gotta run. My wife's waiting for me so we could go grocery shopping. It's like a date day for us. We're going on a date to Whole Foods and Trader Joe's and stuff and Sprouts. So thanks guys for hanging out. It's been fun. If you want to support the channel, subscribe to it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet already. If you're looking to get your next eval or your first ever eval or test account with Apex or Take Profit Trader, use my coupon codes. They're flashing along underneath the screen. They're also in the description, and you'll get 80% off your Apex eval test account and 1 day to pass until the end of the month, and you'll get 40% off Take Profit Trader and $0 upgrade fee, which is a pretty cool deal. So if not, no big deal, but at least the fact that you're here right now is supporting the channel also. So I appreciate you guys. I'll talk to you soon. I'll see you guys on the next one. All right. Peace.